Hey everyone, welcome back to Junaid TechWala.com. In today's video, I will show you how to add spaces between the lines in Notepad++. Here you can see we don't have any spaces between the lines. So if you have any requirement where you need to add the space lines between these lines in bulk, we can do with the help of Notepad. So simple, just Control A, select all the lines. Then again, Control H. Here you see this replace dialog box. So in this field, you have to type backslash r backslash n and in replace with backslash r backslash n backslash r backslash n. After that, you should have to select this extended. This should be selected. Then click on replace all. You can see here all the lines. So this is the way you can add the spaces between the lines. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. We'll see you in the next tutorial.